Hello, my name is Joe DeFeo with Yamaha UC. I'm the regional sales manager here in the Northeast, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about a new partnership with Huddly. We have a new partnership with Huddly for our collaboration kit. We're partnering with their Huddly IQ camera. It's a great camera meant for a medium-sized conference room. Now we have a solution for a medium-sized conference room for video and audio. The Huddly camera has a 150-degree angle and line-array mics built into the system. It's a USB camera meant to be plug and play with any type of PC. And we're also bundling it in with the collaboration kit with our ESB 1080 soundbar. Sounds phenomenal. It has 3 different conference modes, and it sounds great either laying on a table or mounted on the wall. So for more information, please contact your local Elmo rep. Thank you and have a great day.